Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Huawei Nova 14 Pro without password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode and we will lose all of our data, so you need to have that in mind. And the third thing is that if you reset your password through the recovery mode, then during the setup process later, the phone may want you to sign in into the same Huawei account, Huawei ID account, into which you're logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you are actually a user of this device. So have that in mind, that you may have to sign in. Okay, as you can see, the device is locked. I cannot remember the password. And now what to do? We need to power off our phone, hold power key, and select power off. And to enter recovery mode, we need to hold power key and volume up at the same time until it launches. So start holding and don't release until you see that recovery mode appeared on the screen. Keep holding. Okay, it has launched. Now, using volume keys, select clear data, confirm by clicking the power button, select factory reset, confirm, type the word yes using your keyboard, select factory reset, confirm. The process has now started, so we need to wait. It won't take long. Okay, now go back, select restart, confirm, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Then we'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.